and you have the psychological. Ang most neglected part is the psychological. Okay? So, I'm going to talk about mental resiliency. So, next slide. So, when we talk about psychology, okay, this is about your thoughts, your feelings, and more or less, it can greatly affect your performance. Diba? Pag ikaw ay kinabahan, pag ikaw ay nalungkot, diba? Pag ikaw ay nauna yung takot mo, nakakalimutan mo yung training. Okay? Next. So, number one again, change your negative self-talk. Most often than not, before tayo maglaro, ang unang kalaban talaga natin sa sarili natin. There's always negative thought. No, yung negative thought, sabi na natin, every day we encounter 60 to 70,000 thoughts. Majority of that, negative. Bakit? Kasi yung brain talaga natin, ang purpose is for survival. Kaya paglalagay siya ng mga negative thoughts.